Today I'm going to be replacing the OEM tail lights on my Bullet Ultralight with some Bargman number 84 LED surface mount lights. These OEM lights in the sunshine, sometimes it's hard to see brake lights or turn lights, so I'm going to replace them so we can see them. So there's the running lights on the OEM, and I'll show you the turn signals. And there's the turn signal. Here's the LED lights installed on the trailer. These are the running lights. The camera doesn't show the true color on these. It shows kind of orange, but when you're looking at them, they are very red. There's with the running lights on and the turn signal on. And this is just a turn signal. Very, very bright.